Hello everyone! Surprised. Based on what customers tell us and what we see every day in the shop, I'm going to explain why your washing machine is smoking and how to fix it without complications. When a customer brings in a washer that's smoking, the first thing we tell them is unplug it immediately and don't turn it on again until it's checked. Concerned. Many customers tell us things like, suddenly black smoke appeared and it smelled burned, or the drum was spinning and white smoke started coming out. And from that moment, we know we need to inspect both the electrical and mechanical parts of the machine before attempting any repairs. Often, the smoke comes from motor overheating. Some customers mention, it started smelling burned and then smoke came out, or the washer was spinning normally, but suddenly gray smoke appeared. In the shop, we always say, this usually happens when the motor is overworked, the bearings are stuck, or the drum doesn't spin freely. Samsung warns that continuing to use the washer in this condition can cause serious damage, so the first step is to stop it and check the motor and bearings. Additionally, some customers tell us, I checked the motor and it was fine, but smoke kept coming out, which indicates the problem could be in the control board or worn out wiring. Shop technicians explain, when the smoke comes from the electrical side, the safest thing is to disconnect it and check every connection and the board. Some Samsung bulletins note that certain models can overheat if there's moisture or an overload, and in those cases, it's recommended to replace the damaged board or wires. On the other hand, we've seen cases where the smoke comes from the drum belt or worn bearings. Customers tell us the drum belt was worn and when it spun fast, it started smoking. In the shop, we check that the belt is in good condition and that the drum spins freely without excessive friction or obstructions because this prevents the motor from overheating and producing smoke. There are also customers who find that the smoke comes from detergent or fabric softener residues burning due to excess heat. They say, there was dried detergent in the drum and white smoke started coming out.